Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt Part-Time Picker on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Big Buffalo Pickers defend the hustle on Friday nights, him in Glass City? Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle? Hold on a minute. Yeah, can I get a large caramel iced coffee with light ice, please?
Can you say it for you?
That's it.
That is going to be 15.
Thank you. Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Big D and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Big Ella on Save Her First? Have you ever heard of Shore F? Yeah. Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to make a quick video about some things that happened to me on eBay. You know, first of all, when you I just want to tell you guys this. You don't have to put on your description no refunds or anything like that, because eBay, whether you say no refunds or not, eBay rules and regulations say that they can get a refund. So it's just a waste of your time putting it on there. And if somebody returns something and it's not the way you sent it, eBay will side with you too. So I had a problem with this one guy. I had several problems, but I had a problem with this one guy. I think he was a grifter. I sent him an item. He matter of fact, this is the second time he did it. I didn't realize it was the same person, but it was. He bought some Pyrex from me, and when I pack these Pyrex, I wrap them real good, and they real tight in the box. And he said it was broken when he received it. So each one of these Pyrex, it was a Pyrex lasagna casserole like thing. You put lasagna in it. It's a dish, and it came with a brown, like a brown wooden. How can I put it? You put it inside this brown wooden thing, look like wicker, and so he said he said it was broke when he received it. Now I wrapped it in bubble wrap, and plus it's in that brown container, and it was in a box that had paper all around it, everything, foam, everything. Hold on, let me find my wallet. I'll leave it at home. Anyway, so he gonna tell eBay that it was broke. Now he didn't contact me. He went straight to eBay and said it was broke. He wanted a refund. So now I didn't realize it was the same person, right? So I told him to send me pictures. He sent me pictures. I told him I didn't want it back, but it didn't look like the same lasagna, that I sent him. His was kind of a brownish color. Mine was clear, right? So I said, man, that's not mine. I sent you a clear one. He gonna argue me down, it wasn't clear. So I sent eBay the pictures of the unit that I sent them. So eBay sided with me. Thank you. So I looked up his name, and it's the same guy that I sent him a coiningware, like a little casserole. He said that was broke. It's the same guy. So anyway, y'all, watch out for that stuff. But eBay rules, I don't put stuff like that in my description, because if you read eBay rules, they're already in there. You can't. It give you an option whether you want a refund. I mean, whether you accept refunds or not. But it don't make no difference if you check that box or not. It don't make a difference. eBay gonna give them their money back if they win, if everything's okay. But then they side with you if it's not. So I just want to make this quick video about that. And there's some grifters out there, y'all, and they're trying to gank you for your money. So I don't like people trying to get over on people. You know what I'm saying? I treat people the way I want to be treated, and I treat people the way I want them to treat my family and friends. So just like y'all my friends, y'all my buddies. I don't want nobody getting over on y'all. That's why I'm telling y'all this. You know, that fool with that car didn't even go. It went 2 feet, all that damn noise. Anyway, so yeah, that's light. Hey, pull some of that back out. There you go. Yeah, that's light right there. See that? Yeah. The hell? Every time I ask them for caramel iced coffee with light ice, they fill that mother sucker up with ice. Every one of these McDonald's. What you don't understand about light ice? Then she pours something out and put some more in there. What the? Anyway, y'all. Yeah, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just wanted to give y'all some little insider stuff. You know, I'm gonna make a video. I got a system I use to test albums, tapes, stuff like that. I'm gonna make a video about what I do, and y'all can find this stuff just like I found it. And thank you, young lady. Yeah, no, you put some in there. It wasn't a lot, but it was some. Thank you. Anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna let y'all in on some of my little secrets. You know what I'm saying? And y'all probably already doing it, but I don't care. I'm gonna tell you anyway. You know what I'm saying? So, but this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.